How to see who shared your Instagram reel. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Click on this profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you land to your profile page, now open the reel that you want to see who has shared it. After you open the reel, at the top right corner of the reel, you will find three dots. Click on it. With that, different options will appear. If you have enabled professional mode in your Instagram account, you'll find this option of insights over here. Click on it. And with that, you're going to find different sections over here. Under reel interactions, you will find the option of shares. At the moment, you are only able to find out the number of people who shared your reel. But as if right now, there is no such option within Instagram to see who shared your Instagram reel. But if in the future Instagram comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. Well, that's all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear if you can see who shared your Instagram reel or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.